The weekly pay that Melissa receives varies directly, so there we go, Y equals KX business, with the number of hours she works. And this, I don't know, I think, or I would hope that everyone has enough experience with this that it would kind of make sense how this is going to be structured, right? If she works 21 hours, she makes $259.56. How much money would she make if she works 35 hours? Now for me, I prefer to write this as a proportion. Do you have to? No. So there's really, I'm gonna show both ways that students usually solve this, and I'm not saying they're the only two ways even, but you could solve it however you want, okay? So the first thing that students would do is they would find the hourly rate that that Melissa gets paid on this one, which is our constant of variation on this one. So here's the information that it gave us. She's gonna get paid $259.56 for, so that's divided by 21 hours. And you can kind of maybe tell that's how that proportion would set up. Now, it wouldn't matter if you put hours in the numerator or the dollars in the denominator. I want to know how many dollars she makes every hour because it's asking then how much money would she make if she works 35 hours. Then it's just a multiplication thing, just like you would with the constant of variation, right? So how many dollars for 1 hour is this? Again, this is the constant of variation. I'm going to go to my calculator because I can't do that in my head. And if you can, that's pretty freaking awesome. But 259.56 divided by 21. Enter, and I get $12.36 per hour, right? So now we're going to take that $12.36 per hour, and you could use dimensional analysis on this one, not that I think anyone would, and just multiply it. See, it's for 35 hours, just multiply it by 35 hours. So let's go back to the calculator, multiply by 35, enter. She would make $432.60. Okay? So that should be our answer right there. But like I said, there's another method that students usually use on this one, and it didn't specify that we had to use a specific method. So I'm just going to set up a straight proportion, and I'm going to skip that phase of solving for her hourly wages right there, okay? So the first fraction I will set up the same. So it's still $259.56 for 21 hours. But then that second part is for 35 hours, right? So that I see hours in the denominator, so I put 35 hours in the denominator, and then I would solve for x, okay? Now I'm not going to solve that because we already did, right? We already got the answer right there. But whether you use cross multiplication or fish method at that point, you should get the same answer.